The world runs on trade. Goods crisscross continents daily, connecting businesses and consumers. This relies on customs clearance officers. They ensure the smooth and legal flow of goods. Their expertise is essential for global commerce. Without them, the supply chain would halt. They are the gatekeepers of international trade. Customs clearance officers are responsible for a wide range of tasks related to the import and export of goods. Their primary duty is to ensure that all shipments comply with the customs laws and regulations of their respective countries. This involves verifying the accuracy of import and export documentation such as commercial invoices, packing lists, and certificates of origin. They also assess and collect duties, taxes, and other fees associated with international trade. Furthermore, customs clearance officers play a crucial role in enforcing trade restrictions and embargoes. They are trained to identify prohibited or restricted goods, such as illegal drugs, weapons, and counterfeit products. Their vigilance helps to protect national security, public health, and intellectual property rights. By scrutinizing shipments and identifying potential risks, customs clearance officers contribute significantly to the safety and well-being of their nations. The customs declaration process is a complex and multifaceted procedure that requires specialized knowledge and attention to detail. Customs clearance officers are responsible for guiding importers and exporters through this process, ensuring that all necessary documentation is complete, accurate, and submitted on time. One of the key documents in this process is the customs declaration, which provides detailed information about the goods being imported or exported, including their value, origin, and destination. Customs clearance officers carefully examine these declarations to verify the information provided and to determine the appropriate duties and taxes. They use sophisticated computer systems and databases to track shipments, assess risk, and identify potential violations. Their expertise in tariff classification, valuation methods, and rules of origin is essential for ensuring compliance with customs regulations. Section 4. Diplomacy in action, communication and collaboration. Effective communication and collaboration are paramount in the world of customs clearance. Customs clearance officers act as intermediaries between importers, exporters, shipping companies, government agencies, and other stakeholders. They must be able to communicate clearly and concisely, both orally and in writing, to convey complex information and resolve potential issues. Strong interpersonal skills are also crucial, as they often need to negotiate with traders, provide guidance on regulatory requirements, and build positive working relationships. Furthermore, customs clearance officers collaborate closely with other government agencies such as border control, quarantine, and food safety inspectors to ensure the overall security and integrity of the supply chain. Their ability to work effectively within a team environment and to coordinate with various stakeholders is essential for facilitating the smooth flow of goods across borders. Section 5. Troubleshooters, resolving discrepancies and maintaining order. Despite best efforts, discrepancies and problems can arise during the customs clearance process. Shipments may be delayed due to incomplete documentation, incorrect valuations, or other unforeseen circumstances. Customs clearance officers are trained to handle these situations efficiently and professionally. They investigate discrepancies, verify information, and communicate with relevant parties to resolve issues promptly. Their role also involves meticulous record-keeping. They maintain detailed records of all shipments, inspections, and communications. These records are essential for auditing purposes, tracking trade flows, and ensuring accountability. In case of disputes or investigations, these records serve as valuable evidence. Section 6. Career path and outlook. A vital role in a connected world. The role of a customs clearance officer offers a challenging and rewarding career path for individuals with a passion for international trade. Aspiring officers typically need at least a high school diploma, with some positions requiring a bachelor's degree. Strong computer skills, excellent communication, and understanding of customs regulations are essential. As global trade expands, demand for skilled customs clearance officers remains strong. Governments and private companies rely on these professionals to navigate international trade complexities. A career in customs clearance offers stability, growth potential, and satisfaction in the global economy.